MS World. Today we are going to analyze next Nifty 50 chart, that is Power Grid. So let's start analysis first. And my analysis always goes from higher time frames to lower time frames, that is monthly, weekly, daily, and hourly. So let's analyze the monthly chart pattern. So first of all, the Power Grid Corporation is an power generation organization, and its current price is 204 rupees 40 paisa, 1 rupees 75 paisa, 2 days rise, that is 0.86%, and it is a dividend giving stock. Last time it provides a dividend of 3 rupees. So let's analyze in a monthly basis. So as you all know, it started in 2008, and we try to find out the support and resistance. One biggest resistance is 216. Second resistance is around 209. Third resistance is around, that is not a resistance right now, that is a support, 198. Fourth one is 189. I'm just finding the swings low and swings high, and this one also 201. I'm able to see one trend line, not this one, but yes, this one might work. Let me check, guys. This is a trend line, so chances are that it touches this trend line and bounce back. Let's go to the weekly chart pattern. See, now let me mark it from this way to this side. In a weekly one also. So guys, chances are that it will go like this one, and I'm not able to see any more support and resistance right now. In daily chart patterns, daily one is, this chart is going like that, this, so might be this. We have to figure it out. So we'll see in a daily one also. If I say daily one, nothing like that, and hourly one is, yes guys, in hourly chart pattern, so in hourly one we have dynamic resistance only. So guys, the next target might be 209 to in between 201, the side where it will go, because it is not a high movement stock every day. So any breakout will come, will definitely pick that breakout. So right now this is all about the Power Grid Corporation, and in HPMS world we are analyzing on the basis of support and resistance, and along with that price actions and trend lines. And also I'm not a SEBI registered person, this is a disclaimer. So I'm not a SEBI registered guy, and my view is for educational purpose only. Just try to figure it out, support and resistance. If you want to go for any stock, do it at your personal risk, or take a consultation for financial consultant. And so in the weekend we have analyzed, we have posted one video, that is Adani to ONGC. So we have analyzed and we have marked some charts. So let's see those chart, how it performs on a daily basis. So that might give you one stock which you will target this week. Adani Port, I am only just picking the red marked. I told you it came back from this resistance. So if it breaks this asymmetrical triangle, then the breakout will come. Asian Paint, guys, Asian Paint, just take like touches this point. If it will move ahead, it will go till 3401. Bajaj Finserv, it is also in asymmetrical triangle. Bharti Airtel, Bharti Airtel is going downwards. A cupward pattern is there. But if you target Bharti Airtel, till if it will go till 670, or chances are that any breakout in cup shape pattern will definitely move above till 6781 also. It all depends upon the chances, but the it's expected further financial report will come around February, so keep looking into this chart. And Coal India, what we projected, Coal India is in between this 152. If breakout come upside, 155 downside, below 147 is 138. This is all by support and resistance only. Eicher Motor, guys, Eicher Motor between 2460 and 2598. SCL Tech, same guys, 1196, 1137. Hero Motocorp, guys, Hero Motocorp might be, this is a retracement candle, but we'll see tomorrow how it will perform. If it is not a retracement candle, upside 2498 to 2627. Indus Industrial Bank, guys, it is trying to break this trend line, so let's see. Chances are downside, but if downside will come till 917, let me mark this 917. I'm just analyzing the weekend mark chart. Kotak Bank, see guys, Kotak Bank, from you all know, is downside, trending along with this trend line. L&T, guys, break this cup shape pattern upside, now coming with downside. Next target might be 1839, upside is open 1992. Maruti, guys, see how it is support and resistance works. 7567. If it breaks, a big volume is there, but the volume will come, or the support and resistance will come around this 7717, and next target is this around, you can say also this 7815, and this 7913. So chances are 100 points, or 80 to 90 points. Nestle India, what we have to think about Nestle India, it is moving with this. If any breakout will come in this asymmetrical triangle, definitely it will go high. So this is all about the stock charts, so for 13th December. So keep watching my channel. Do let me know if you want I should go with the other charts also. I have added few charts like Apple, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, Google. These are FANG charts, FANG companies charts. So we will start analyzing in the future also, and we'll give a view for US stock market also, and by support and resistance, price action and trend line. And if you learn these things, price action, trend line, charts, definitely that will give you an edge. And as all the biggest people who are in stock market from quite long, they are, everyone is saying that do read the charts and read the charts every day. So this is what I want to go ahead from my channel for the purpose of education. So definitely you should make your different set of charts which you want to analyze every day. And do share my channels with others, do like my videos, and do let me know if you think anything required to be added. And please like the videos and comment on the videos. Have a nice day, guys.